Hello, sweathearts. Welcome to tutorial 4, Lips Are Movin' by Meghan Trainor. Let's get started. Step 1. We're going to start with a little hand on the hip and a hand as lips moving across the body for 4. With the hip, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to point right. We're going to point left. We're going to prep a little bit to the left and then start with the right hand and right hip going 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front. Really working those hips. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So we lead with that right hand up and the right hip. We're going to take a little and to get ready for it, and then we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Lips are moving, point, point, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Next part is the first verse. We're going to take it first for a little walk to the right. We're going to walk 1, 2, 3, cross 4, and the hips and hands go 5, 6, 7, and then we jump up and land 8 with the little cutesy hands. When we walk back to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, start left, right, left, jump. Back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on those jumps, get nice and cute, and on those walks, whatever attitude you want there. It could be sexy, it could be funny, you choose. All right, we just did those 4 side to sides with those little hops, and we're gonna have a little kick, a little triple kick. We're gonna start with the right foot. We're gonna kick 1, 2, 3, and 4 behind. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that left foot's gonna come 5, 6, 7, 8. And that left foot's ready to go this side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we jump out 5, cross 6, and we turn around 7, 8 to get ready. Now, of course, there's going to be some hands on this. Starting with the left foot, we're going to have a hand on the hip, and we're going to have a little diamond fingers here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Opposition arms and hands. 5, 6, 7, 8. To switch left, 2, 3, and 4. Right, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Out. 5. Cross right in front of left, 6. Turn to the front, 7, 8. Facing the front. Right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Hold for 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot. 1, 2. Back and 4. Right. 2, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Out. 5. Cross 6. Turn 7, 8. And you can jump out with those arms and turn. Let's put that first chunk all together. Starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Walking. 1, 2, 3. Hips and arms. Little jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kicks. Right. 2, 3, and 4. Left. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Hold for 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch left. 2. Back and front. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Out, cross, turn to the front. All right, time for the chorus. We're gonna start with a little shoop shoop coming up towards the mirror. Starting with the right, we go 1, 2, 3, together 4, 5, 6, 7, together 8. Back on the right, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And those are gonna turn to little double hops. Hop, hop, pony, pony. Now the hand's going back. Same on the down foot as the arm. So we start, opposite hand is behind the back. We go right, left, right, and left. Again, to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 times face the front. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great, now we're gonna get a little sassy. We're gonna take the right foot out and the right hand. We're gonna pretend to lick the hand. We're gonna take it around 1, 2, 3, hit the base, the booty on 4, and then around 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. With our middle, our finger here, we turn back, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, front and back. Shoot, 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 shoot. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Face in the front. Let's put all those together. First 2, shoot up. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. The 1. Turn 6, 7. Repeat. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are all the sections. Don't be afraid to have fun. Get sassy with those walks and really give that booty a slap. Let's do it.